Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today I'm going to break down a tap dance warm-up with a lot of shuffle steps and shuffles in it. And you can use this to warm up before a longer combo. You can use it if you just have 5 minutes to stand up and do something good for your body and your brain. You can stand up and do it. Or if you need to practice your shuffles and your shuffle steps, this is also a great way to do that. So I'm going to break it down nice and slow here. And then in a separate video, I'm going to do it with music to Last Christmas by Leslie Odom Jr., but you can use it to any version of Last Christmas or really any song. This will fit great. So just stand up. Don't even need tap shoes. Just whatever you feel safe and comfortable wearing. Stand up and let's do some shuffles and shuffle steps. Here we go. All right, so a shuffle in tap dancing. 2 sounds. It's going to brush away and then it's going to brush back. And as I brush back, I'm going to lift my leg up. So I'm not going to swing it back. I'm going to keep my shuffling leg in front of my supporting leg. So you can pretend like there's a little circle or a box right here, and that's where you want all your shuffle sounds to happen. So we're not brushing anywhere else but in that little tiny circle or box on the floor. Now brush, if you don't know what brush is, it's just the ball tap. So just this top tap here on the ball of your foot, and it's just brushing on the floor. It's just, a brush is just sliding on the floor. A shuffle is 2 brushes, one forward or one away from your body, and then one back. So that's our shuffle. 2 sounds, shuffle, and then we're gonna put a step in it to take out that balance challenge at first. Shuffle and step. So practice keeping that shuffling leg in front of the leg you're standing on. That's important, right? So in this combo, we're gonna do very even shuffle. Shuffle, step, a very even rhythm. We're going to do 8 of these. Then when we're done with that, pretend that was 8. You're going to do the same thing, but now we're going to start to angle it out. Shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. So these are our side shuffles, and we're just going kind of to the corner here as we shuffle versus straight front. We'll do 8 of those. Then we'll do 4s, and then we'll do 2. So you'll go 2 shuffle steps to the front, 2 shuffle steps to the side. Yeah, so let's try that. We're just going to do 8 shuffles, front, side, 4 2s. You got it. 5, 6, shuffle, step to the front. Do it again. It's nice and even. Remember, we're shuffling in front of that supporting leg. 1 more. This is 8. Same thing. We're just angling it out. If you ever need balance, use those arms. Do it again. Pull all your weight on that supporting leg. 1 more. Now we're going to go 4 shuffle steps front. You got it. 4 to the sides. The song of 1,000 shuffles. Now 2 shuffle steps front. 2 side. We're going to repeat that. 2 shuffle steps front. 2 shuffle steps side. Very nice. From here, we're going to start to do shuffles without the step. This is going to start to bring your balance challenge into it. So whenever you're shuffling your right leg, you need to think about all your weight pulled over to the left leg. You don't want to lock your knee. So we always have this nice bend and bounce in our legs in tap dancing. Bend and bounce. We don't want to lock the knee. So we're bending, but you're pulling all your weight over there. Because if you start to lean towards your shuffling leg, you'll fall off your left leg, we'll lose our balance. So all our weight's pulled nice over here. We're going to do 3 shuffles in a row. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to step on it. Then your left foot. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to do that same thing, but I'm just going to angle out. Step on it. Then left. Nice, even shuffles. We'll repeat that. 3s again. Then you're going to do 7s. That's 7, right? Yeah. So you really got to pull over here. Start to use your arms for balance if you need it, or if you need to hold on to something, then do that here too. So bend in that left leg. We're going to do 7 shuffles. 5, 6, shuffle, shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you step. Now left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend your leg. 6, 7. Then you step. Then we'll go to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you step. Then left for 7. From there, we're gonna go back down. So you'll do 3s shuffles again, and then we'll go back to regular shuffles, which we've already done. After all that, we're gonna add a heel if you want. You can repeat the whole pattern, just like that with shuffle steps, or we're gonna add a shuffle step heel. So instead of just shuffle step, you're gonna go shuffle, step, heel. Shuffle, 1, 2. So separate the ball tap and the heel tap. Shuffle, step, heel. Shuffle, step, heel. Shuffle, step, heel. Same thing here. We can angle these out. Shuffle and step, heel. So we're just adding a little something to it. So let's practice our shuffle step heels 1 time through. We're going to go 8s, 8s, 4, 4, 2, 2. Here we go. 5, 6, shuffle, step, heel, front. So now we have 4 sounds. 4 more, nice and even. Shuffle, step, heel, 2 more. Angle these out. You can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more here. Shuffle, step, heel, you're doing awesome. 4 to the front. 4 to the side. Shuffle, step, heel. 2 to the front. 2 side. Repeat that. 2 to the front. 2 to the side. Shuffle, step, heel. Very nice. And then we're going to repeat our 3s and our 7 shuffles, adding the heel to that last step. So for example, when you do 3 shuffles, you're going to do 1, 2, 3, step, heel. And then 1, 2, 3. And same thing to the side. Put all your weight on that supporting leg. And then let's try 7. 5, 6, 7 shuffles right. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and a step, heel. 1, 5, 6, 7, and a side for 7. 5, 6, 7, and a step, heel. 5, 6, 7, and a step, heel. Very, very nice. Now, when you go to the other video to try it with music, I'm just going to call out what you're going to do, and it's going to be some variation of that. Shuffle steps, 3 shuffle steps, 3 shuffles with a step, 7 shuffles with a step, and then adding the heels after that. Just listen, I will call it out to you. Have fun with it. This is great, like I said, if you just have a few minutes to get up and just move your body for 3 minutes is better than no minutes. If you need to practice your shuffles, you're going to get a lot of shuffles done. If you need to practice balancing, it's very good for that. And it's also a good way to warm up. I remember, see, before doing a longer combo. So there's our shuffles, our shuffle steps, our shuffle step heels. Go try it with that other video, link down in the description below, up here in this card, to Last Christmas by Leslie Odom Jr. Or put on whatever song makes you happy and just practice your shuffle steps, shuffle step heels. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a tap-tastic rest of your day. And I hope we get to tap dance again together in the future. Bye, y'all.